I'm going to show you how to install a Maxton Design rear diffuser to your Mustang GT. So having recently purchased a Maxton Design full body kit for my Mustang GT, I thought I'd check on YouTube, see if there's any installation instructions for these at all, and I didn't find any. So I thought I'd bring you guys instructional videos how to fit these and some of the mods I had to do to get them to fit correctly to the Mustang. So let's look at fitting the Maxton Design rear diffuser to this Mustang. So I'm thinking this one might be quite easy to fit because it looks like it basically goes on over the original diffuser like so, and it lines up nicely, and then it looks like all we need to do is put a bolt in there from each side and one in there from each side, because these have got sticky on to stick to the original diffuser, and once you put the bolts in the middle here, then these extra parts go on there and they also stick and also bolt to this. So let's get the 6mm drill and get these drilled out. So I've got it in position now. I'll put a couple of my little clamps just underneath just to hold it in the same place. So I'm going to get the drill. I'm going to drill one hole there, two in the middle and one at this side. I just had to jack the car up a little bit because when I tried to get my drill in, I couldn't get it in. So rather than struggle or drill at an angle, I've jacked the car up and now I can get straight in with the drill and get a proper hole. Now I'll put the nut and bolt in these before I drill the middle ones, and it'll keep it nice and square for me. Now there is sticky parts on these fins here, but I'm not going to do those yet because I'm going to look at probably getting this painted, so therefore I don't want to stick those down. I want to keep the sticky parts when I get it back from paint. In fact, I'm going to remove this now and take all the plastic coating off because there's quite a bit of it. Okay, to get the plastic protection off these, you need to undo the bolt at the end there and remove the fins, because the plastic is trapped in between this bit here. So yeah, just a matter of taking those four off, pulling the plastic off, so it's now completely clear of plastic. So let's get these bolts in here. Now I'm not sure you get a washer on the back of that. Now I would expect this hole should have been just a little bit further in, then we could have got the washer in. No, you can't get a washer in there now. Okay, that's not in place. So this is an 8mm, so I've got an 8mm spanner and an 8mm driver. So now those are in, it's time to drill these two holes here, and I've just felt up there, there's nothing in the way, so there's no wires or anything, so that should be fine. They should be able to drill straight through. And for these ones, because there's a fin to go over top, you have to use the countersunk bolts, and it's going to be a bit of a stretch to get my arm in there and get the washer and the nut on, but let's see, we should be able to do it. Again, there's no chance of getting a washer on there, so these holes, if they're moved slightly over to the side, there's plenty of room there, you can get these in. Okay, so they're nigh on impossible to get in. There's plastic in the way, there's things sticking up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill a hole here and a hole here, and then put two of the same bolts as them just there, because there's plenty more room and you can easily get a spanner and everything on there. Okay, so I'm now just using the normal bolts that we got with item spares from the front. So I'm just going to use them now. I should hopefully be able to get these in with a washer on the back. Now that is 10 times easier than using the ones that they supply. So yeah, definitely do that. That's well solid now. So now we just need to put these other fins on. Get all the plastics off that, so that slides on there. And that's it, that's the rear diffuser now fitted. So there you go, thanks for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, why not watch this one?